Shout out Pixelmite. Facebook and Instagram's parent company will change its stock ticker to Meta on June 9th. That'll be the end. That'll be the real RIP Facebook. We talked about Sheryl Sandberg leaving the company. Maybe, I don't know what effect this will have on the stock when the ticker changes to Meta. From social networking to social technology, the description, moving ever closer to this metaverse, virtual existence. So here we go. Its NASDAQ listing would transition to MVRS for Metaverse. However, after the investment fund listed under Meta vacated the symbol in January, Meta Platforms quickly confirmed that it would use Meta instead, while at the same time announcing its first drop in daily active users. Meta vacated the symbol in January, the previous Meta, which was an investment fund. What do you think? Mark went and talked to them or what? He goes over there, he goes, do me a favor, vacate this symbol real quick. Now it has filed the paperwork saying the shift will become official before the market opens June 9th. Right now, people still think of Meta as the home of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, but the plan is to make it into much more than those social media mainstays. Changing the company's name hasn't been enough for all investors to buy into Mark Zuckerberg's vision. Their patience is particularly short given the combination of headwinds, competitors, regulators, and a pandemic-stricken economy. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what happens for Meta. Headsets, VR, rapid pace towards immersive VR experiences. Guys like Vin looking for full immersion. What do you think, Will? Our lifetime or what?
Yeah, he didn't try Half-Life Alex.
Who, this guy?
Yeah.
Vin?
I'm kind of disappointed.
What happened? He just said no to you?
I think the timing was not right.
Wow. What are you going to do about it?
I might bring it back.
What was wrong with the timing? I don't understand.
I looked at some other systems after, Will. You can get there's $5,000, $10,000 VR
What happened?
headsets.
What happened here? You you proposed to do the thing.
No, I set it up for him.
Okay, and
nothing came out of it.
Well, I think it wasn't working or something, no?
No, it was working.
Oh, well.
I can bring it back. It's not a big deal.
Wow, Vin, you got to open up a little bit here. You shut him down. He set everything up.
No, there was no shutdown. Wait.
Yeah, there's no shutdown.
You can't. He
Yeah,
brought
very
everything and he set it all up for you.
Well, I can set it.
I don't know what'll happen. I
Shouldn't
might
take too long.
throw up or who knows.
Fine, we'll do it here on the. Or do it live. Whatever happens, happens. We
That would
deal.
suck.
We deal with it. He's not
Vomit
gonna.
in the
He's
middle
not
of the-
throwing. He's not throwing up. Don't worry.
Who knows? The older it's like roller coasters or rides or any.
Then you're
when you
not
get-
that old though. That's the thing. You're not as old as you pretend
Well,
to be.
you can take off the headset anytime you want.
Yeah. Did you notice that in the community you became Veen? Have you noticed? Are you aware of that? They love the VEEN is how they spell your name.
Where are you seeing that?
All over the chat. Wait till you see it pop up.
Wow.
How do you feel about it? Are you in support of it? Do you denounce it? See, there you go.
Doesn't matter.
User named Milky Nectar enjoys the name Veen.
Who brought it up the first time?
No, and the whole way it started wasn't even great.
Veen.
It wasn't.
How do you know? You remember this?
What a way to mobilize the community.
You wait a second.
Now it's all Veen.
There's an actual moment of Veen? I don't recall.
Yeah, there was someone
Yeah.
that spelt it incorrectly,
Yeah.
and then you said something.
I would never
and
say
then-
anything. I've never said anything.
Well,
Look, Vlad just did a $5 super chat just so he could say, go ahead. Veen. Veen. Who's Veen? Veen Diesel.
I saw a video
Yeah.
on YouTube. They had, I think the whole thing was off, but
Yeah.
it was ranking top 100 actors worth.
Mm.
Diesel's up there. I think he was top
Really?
10. Oh, I think they had him at 100 and
Yeah, well, we all know
170.
they're on Fast and Furious 1200. They keep going back for more. Fast and the Furious is like a YouTube channel. They just keep uploading new
Oh
episodes.
yeah, you're right. Look at this guy.
Vin Diesel coming in at number 5.
This list is quite different than what
But he's up
I
there.
thought. Yeah,
You're right.
yeah. He's up
You're
there.
not buying it, Vin.
Yeah. I knew something was up with the list I was seeing.
Best paid actors worldwide 2020. Annual income. What has Jackie Chan, what did he do in 2020?
It doesn't. There's stuff going on.
I don't remember.
No,
I can't remember. Did I miss it?
not here. Probably. Probably.
Who's
That's the Broadway play.
Oh,
That's a Broadway play.
He started. What the heck was it?
He was in
Hamilton. Hamilton.
He did an episode of Curb Your Enthusiasm. That's how I learned about him. But yeah, Hamilton.
Oh yeah, he was. Yeah,
But he's acting a lot now, like in movies and stuff.